Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite as a beginner. First, your main goal is to be the last player or team remaining on the island. Begin by mastering your movement. Walking, running, jumping, and crouching are essential. Practice navigating the diverse map, interacting with objects, and getting a feel for the game's pace. This foundational understanding will set you up for success in your first few matches, helping you explore and adapt to the dynamic environment. Next, focus on gearing up. You'll find weapons, shields, and healing items by opening chests, which often glow, and by searching supply drops. Your inventory has 5 main slots for weapons and consumables, so choose wisely. Pay attention to weapon rarities, common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary, as they indicate increasing power and accuracy. Prioritizing a balanced loadout with a mix of weapon types and healing items is key to survival. Now, let's talk combat. Practice aiming and shooting with different weapons. Each has a unique feel. A crucial skill in Fortnite is building structures like walls, ramps, and floors. Use these for instant cover during a firefight or to gain a height advantage over opponents. Learning to quickly build a simple 1x1 fort can significantly increase your survivability in both close quarters and long-range engagements, giving you a tactical edge. Finally, to win, you must survive the storm, which gradually shrinks the playable area and deals damage outside its safe zone. Always keep an eye on the map and move towards the next circle. Utilize natural cover like trees and rocks and position yourself strategically. In team modes, stick with your squad, communicate, and support each other. These tactics, combined with good looting and combat skills, will greatly improve your chances of securing a victory royale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.